Hello kids! Good morning to my cute fishes of Gurukul English Medium School. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and safe at home. Welcome back to the GK class. Kids, let's start with the next chapter, that is lesson number 17, Find the Fishes, lesson number 18, Spot the Shells, and lesson number 19, Track the Turtle. First, we will start with lesson number 17, that is Find the Fishes. The sea is full of colorful and attractive fishes. Let's have a look at some fishes which have a unique appearance. Seahorse. Seahorse is named for the shape of its head, which looks like a tiny horse. The most interesting fact about it is that the male seahorse gives birth to the baby seahorse. Starfish. Starfish is also called as sea star. It resembles the star shape. There are around 2000 species of starfish with different colors and sizes. Resembles means to have a similar appearance or to look like. Jellyfish. It has an umbrella-shaped bell and long tentacles. It uses its stinging tentacles to catch the prey. Lion's mane jellyfish is the largest known species of jellyfish in the world. Tentacles means a long part of animal used for grasping. Stinking tentacles means sharp pointed part. Pufferfish. Pufferfish is also called as blowfish. It is an inflatable fish. Some of the pufferfish are highly poisonous and many of them can change color according to the environment. Inflatable means filled with air or gas. Stingray. Stingray is a large flat round fish with a long tail that has poisonous points on it. They don't have bones. They sense their prey through electric signal. Stingray uses its flaps as wings to swim. Stingray swims in shallow water. Kids, this was all about fishes. Now kids, we will start with the next chapter, that is Spot the Shells. Kids, there are some sea creatures who have shells. They are unique because they do not have bones in their body but have them outside in the form of shells. The shells protect them from outside attacks. Let's spot the shells. Prawn. Prawn is small crustacean with long thin body. Many are found in seas and oceans, while some kinds live in rivers and lakes. Most prawns swim or drift in water, but others spend most of their life searching for food on the seabed. Crustacean means animal that live in water with hard outer shell. Crab. Crab has a flat body covered by a shell or its flesh. Most crabs live in the sea and many crabs are eaten by humans. Lobster. Lobsters are related to prawns and crabs. They have thin bodies covered in a hard shell and big claws. Some lobster shells are blue-black when they are alive. Most lobsters are around 30 cm in length and weigh around 1 kg. Lobster only like living in certain areas where the temperature is normally between 5 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Oyster. Oyster is the common name for a number of different families of salt water that live in the marine or brackish habitats. Some types of pearl oysters are harvested for the pearl produced within the mantle. A group of oysters is commonly called a bed or oyster reef. Sea snail. Sea snail is a common name for slow-moving marine gastropod with visible external shells. Sea snails are a very large group of animals and a very diverse one. The cells of snails are complex and grow at different speed. Kids, this was all about shells. Kids, now we will start with the next chapter, that is lesson number 19, Track the Turtle. A turtle lives in a sea water and comes out on the land only to lay eggs. Sea turtles are large air-breathing reptiles. Green sea turtle. The green sea turtle is also known as the green turtle, black turtle or Pacific green turtle. It is a species of large sea turtle. Its range extends throughout tropical and subtropical seas around the world. The green sea turtle lays 100 to 200 eggs at a time. Leatherback sea turtle. The leatherback sea turtle is sometimes called as the lute turtle or leathery turtle. It is the largest of all living turtles and is the fourth heaviest modern reptile. Its size is up to 7 feet and weight up to 2000 pounds. Its average lifespan in the wildlife is 45 years. Loggerhead sea turtle. The loggerhead sea turtle is a species of oceanic turtle distributed throughout the world. The skin of loggerhead sea turtle is yellow to brown in color and the shell is reddish brown. Tortoise. A tortoise is a land-dwelling animal. It rarely goes near the water and is not a good swimmer. Let us go through some types of tortoise. Desert tortoise. The desert tortoise lives about 50 to 80 years. It grows slowly and generally has a low reproductive rate. It spends most of its time in burrows and rock shelters to regulate body temperature and reduce water loss. Desert tortoise can tolerate water, salt and energy imbalance on daily basis, which increases their lifespan. Burrow means a hole or tunnel dug by a small animal as a dwelling. African spurred tortoise. It is the third largest species of tortoise in the world. It is 30 inches in length and well over 100 pounds in weight. Some males even reach 200 pounds. Red-footed tortoise. The red-footed tortoise is a species of tortoise from South America. They are closely related to yellow-footed tortoise from the Amazon basin. They are popularly kept as pets. This medium-sized tortoise generally average 30 cm as adults but can reach over 40 cm. Terrapin. A terrapin is a small turtle living in fresh or brackish water. Brackish means salty or dirty. European pond terrapin. The European pond terrapin is long-living freshwater turtle. It is black, brown or olive in color with yellow spots and streaks on the shell and skin. Diamondback terrapin. The lifespan of diamondback terrapin is 40 years. The size of diamondback terrapin is 5.5 inches for males and 11 inches for females. It has pale dark grey or black color with dark spots. I hope you all understood all the 3 chapters. Thank you, students. Bye. Take care.
Hello. Good morning, my little flowers of Gurukul English Medium School. I hope you all are happy and safe at home. Welcome back to the GK class. Today, we will start with the new chapters that are car companies, types of documents, and common diseases. First, we will start with car companies. There are different models of cars available in the market. These cars are manufactured by different companies. So, today we will learn about some car companies. First, we will go with Tata Company. Tata is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing company. It is part of Tata Group. It was founded in year 1945. Founder J.R.D. Tata. Mission: we innovate mobility solutions with passion to enhance quality of life. Vision: to be the most reliable global network for customers and suppliers. Volkswagen. Volkswagen is a multinational automotive manufacturing company. It was founded in 20th May 1937. Founder German Labor Front. Mission: customer-oriented. Vision: to make this world a mobile, sustainable place with access to all the citizens. Mercedes-Benz is both a German automotive marque and from late 2019 onwards a subsidiary of Daimler AG. Mercedes-Benz is known for producing luxury vehicles and commercial vehicles. It was founded on 28th June 1926. Founder Carl Benz. Mission: every task is chance to grow. Vision: to become the world's most renowned center for customer service in the automotive sector. Jaguar is a luxury vehicle. Jaguar is a United Kingdom multinational company. It was founded on 26 October 1933. Founder Karl Rapp. Mission: to be best in every area of our business. Vision: they hold responsibility to foster an environment which empowers employees and promotes innovations, relationships, and growth. Next, BMW. Bayerischer Motorenwerk, commonly referred as BMW, is a German multinational company. It was founded on 7th March 1916. Founders Camillo Castiglioni, Franz Joseph Popp, Karl Rapp. Mission: the BMW Group is world's leading provider of premium service for individual mobility. Vision: to be most successful premium manufacturer in industry. Skoda. Skoda is Czech Republic automobile manufacturing company. It was founded in 8th December 1895. Founders Václav Lauren, Václav Clement. Mission is to remain a long-term partner of our customers and involved in field of development. Vision, a world leader, is high quality value price automobiles for 21st century customers. Land Rover, Land Rover is a England UK multinational car company. It was founded in year 1948. Founder Maurice Wilkes. Mission: we want to deliver more great products and want to be in a field of environmental innovations. Vision: we must create a world in which we will live safer, better lives. Audi. Audi is a German multinational company. It was founded on July 1909. Founder August Horch. Mission: a high quality creativity, commitment, ability to generate enthusiasm. Vision: to be convincing, sportiness, permissiveness, and also superiority. It was all about car companies. Now we will start with our next chapter, that is types of documents. We have learnt earlier how to write a letter. A letter is a document that you send by mail. Similarly, there are some other types of documents too. Let's understand about this letter. Help your friend write a letter to his mother saying that he got the report card and scored highest marks. Remember following points. Read the topic carefully. Understand the reason and subject. According to this letter pattern, write your details. Start with your name to right hand side corner. Write address and date as you are sender. Next, with the greeting words to the respected person, start writing content of your letter. Express your thoughts and feelings. Lastly, to enclose your letter, use thanking words and mention your name. Now, you practice this letter, and dear students, there are some other types of documents too, like letter, certificate, etc. Now, we will start with our last chapter of the day is common diseases. So, let us take more information about different diseases. Chickenpox. Chickenpox is highly contagious viral infection which cause fever, rashes and itchiness on the skin, and it also make patient weak. Fever, a temporary increase in average body temperature of 98.6 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit. Symptoms of fever are shivering, shaking and body pain. Diarrhea. Diarrhea is usually caused by virus or sometimes unhygienic food. Diarrhea may include loose motions, stomach ache and sometimes may feels like vomiting. Jaundice. Jaundice may occur if the liver can't efficiently process red blood cells. It's normal in healthy newborn babies and usually clears on its own. Causes of jaundice are change in skin color, yellow and colored urine. Flu. A flu is commonly viral infection that can be deadly, especially in high-risk group. Symptoms of flu are fever, muscle ache, running nose and throat become sore. Malaria, a disease caused by the bite of infected mosquitoes. Symptoms of malaria are body covered with rashes, fever and drowsiness. Conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis can be extremely contagious and is spread by contact with eye secretion from someone who is infected. Its symptoms are redness, itchiness, and tearing of the eyes. This all about common diseases. I hope you understood today's classwork. and keep practicing. Take care and have a nice day.